Science for life. Do you want to know more about the world around you? Then subscribe, like, and let's get started.
The evolution of work. Jobs on the horizon of automation by artificial intelligence. The landscape of work is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and automation technologies. As AI capabilities continue to expand, many industries and occupations are poised for significant changes. While AI has the potential to revolutionize productivity and efficiency, it also raises concerns about the displacement of jobs. This article delves into the potential impact of AI on various job sectors and examines the jobs that could be replaced by AI in the future. The promise and perils of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has shown remarkable progress in recent years, with breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. These advancements have led to AI systems that can perform tasks that were once thought to be exclusively within the domain of human intelligence. While this progress has the potential to drive innovation and transform industries, it also introduces the challenge of balancing the benefits of automation with the preservation of human livelihoods. Jobs in the crosshairs of automation. Manufacturing and production jobs. Factory jobs involving repetitive tasks like assembly line work are some of the most susceptible to automation. Robots and AI-powered machines are increasingly capable of performing intricate tasks, leading to a reduction in the need for manual labor. Retail and customer service. Self-checkout kiosks and automated customer support systems are already in use. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, potentially reducing the need for customer service representatives. Data entry and administrative tasks. Routine data entry and administrative tasks, such as filing, sorting, and data processing, are prime candidates for automation. AI algorithms can process large volumes of data faster and with greater accuracy than humans. Transport and logistics. The transportation industry is on the brink of a transformation with the development of self-driving vehicles. Truck drivers, delivery personnel, and even pilots could face job displacement as autonomous systems become more reliable. Financial analysis and reporting. AI algorithms can analyze financial data, identify patterns, and generate reports with speed and accuracy. Financial analysts who primarily engage in repetitive data analysis could find their roles altered by AI. Healthcare diagnostics. AI-powered diagnostic tools are making significant strides in medical imaging analysis. Radiologists and pathologists may see their responsibilities change as AI aids in detecting anomalies and making preliminary diagnoses. Legal research. AI-driven algorithms are being used to review legal documents, conduct research, and even predict legal outcomes. Legal researchers and paralegals might find themselves collaborating with AI systems in the future. Content creation. While creative jobs like writing and content creation have traditionally been considered immune to automation, AI-generated content is becoming more sophisticated. News articles, reports, and even creative pieces are being generated by AI algorithms. Telemarketing and sales. The rise of AI-powered chatbots and automated sales systems could impact traditional telemarketing and sales roles. AI can engage with customers, answer queries, and process orders without human intervention. Data analysis and reporting. Data analysts who focus on routine data processing and reporting may face challenges from AI systems that can analyze complex datasets and generate insights more efficiently. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the job market will become increasingly significant. While some jobs are likely to be replaced by automation, it's important to recognize that AI also creates new opportunities for innovation, entrepreneurship, and skill development. To navigate this changing landscape, policymakers, educators, and businesses must collaborate to ensure a smooth transition for the workforce. Upskilling and reskilling initiatives, combined with a forward-thinking approach to education and training, can help individuals adapt to the changing nature of work and thrive in an AI-driven world. The future of work is not just about the replacement of jobs but also about the augmentation of human capabilities through collaboration with intelligent machines. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss our next videos.